Hey guys, Steve with Empire Academy, and today we're going to talk about is when a tenant files an appeal in an eviction case, the owner at this point needs to get legal counsel. This means they need to hire an attorney. So a lot of times the owners want to know, can Empire represent them? And the answer is no. The reason is it now becomes a civil matter. When the tenants appeal an eviction, it becomes a civil matter and you have to get an attorney involved. We recommend an attorney, a real estate attorney, but they don't have to use them. We can give them the referral of a real estate attorney, or they can find their own. But at this point, because it becomes a civil matter, Empire is not legal counsel, and Empire cannot represent the owner when the tenant does file an appeal in an eviction. Now, make sure you understand, up to the point in the eviction process, we file the eviction, we do the forcible detainer, we go to court for them, we file the writ of possession. That is something that we can do. At that point, the tenant has the legal right to file what's called an appeal, where basically they appeal it and say, I don't think I should be evicted, or whatever the case may be. At that point, the judges move it over to a civil matter. When it becomes a civil matter, it is no longer eviction court, it is now civil court. And when it becomes civil court, you have to have an attorney represent you, and that cannot be Empire. So again, we do have an attorney we can recommend. We have a service that they can recommend, and we'd be happy to make the connection, but we cannot be the representing party because we are not attorneys. So again, let them know that this is not the eviction process. This is after the eviction process, before they're actually removed from the premises. They do have the legal right to file an appeal, and there's nothing that anyone can do about it. It is just a legal right of theirs, and if they follow the proper procedure, they can do that. And again, this is just part of that. Now, you might want to let the owner know, listen, we'll do everything we can for you. We'll do all our part. However, at this point, it's out of our hands. So this is Steve with Empire Academy, and I hope this helps about how to deal with a tenant that files an eviction appeal.